In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the options that appear, choose Apps. In the search field, type Forms and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new view. From the search results, look for the official Shopify Forms app. Click on it, then go ahead and install the app, following all of the prompts until the installation is complete. When the installation finishes, you'll be taken straight to the Shopify Forms dashboard. Here, you're going to create your first pop-up. In the middle of the screen, or in the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Form. Click that. A pop-up window will appear asking what type of form you want to create. Choose Pop-up Form, then give your form a clear name so you can recognize it later, and click Create at the bottom right of that window. Now you're in the form editor where you can customize your pop-up. Under Pop-up Display, choose how you want the pop-up to appear. You can select a floating style, where you can pick a position on your store, or an overlay, where you can also select the overlay color that tints the rest of the page behind the pop-up. On the right-hand side, you'll see a live preview of your form so you can instantly see how your changes will look. Adjust when the teaser appears and edit its title so it makes sense for your customers and feels inviting. Next, add a main form title and edit the body content. This is where you explain the discount, like sign up to get 10% off and any short supporting text. By default, your form will include a first name field and an email field. If you don't need one of those, click the minus icon to the right of that field to remove it. If you want to collect more information, click Add New Field and choose what you'd like to add. Scroll down to configure your email marketing consent text, the label on your main button, and any content disclaimer so that it matches your brand voice and legal requirements. Next, choose what happens after someone submits the form. Under confirmation behavior, pick Show Message instead of redirecting to another page. This option lets you display the discount right inside the success message. Click Select a Discount. A pop-up will appear where you can either choose an existing discount or create a new one. Once that's set, customize the title and content of your success message to clearly show the discount code and any instructions. Now move to the styling section. Here you can adjust the background color, text color, accent color, button colors, and error colors. Take a moment to make sure everything matches your brand style. Keep scrolling down to explore all the other editing and styling options and configure each one until you're happy with how the pop-up looks and behaves. When you're finished, go to the top of the page and click and save near the search bar. Wait for it to finish saving. Then, in the top right, click Turn Form on to activate it. If app embeds aren't yet enabled on your theme, you might see a message at the top saying that your form was created and you now need to install the Forms theme app embed. Click the link to go to your online store and it will open your theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left-hand panel. Find the Apps or App Embed section and make sure the Forms app is toggled on. Once it's enabled, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. At this point, your pop-up discount form is live. Visit your storefront, trigger the pop-up based on the settings you chose, and confirm that the discount appears correctly for your customers.